Hello guys, how are you? I'm so glad to record another video related to Python. In this video, we focus on vector shape. This vector shape is so amazing and interesting because you can design shape based on the mathematic equations. For example, you calculate angle and the length of the each shape. It is so easy. For example, I try to continue course by so easy example here. This is so easy. Please notice to and continue to do exercise based on my explanation. It is so easy. What is it, the turtle? Please imagine that we have something like is. Okay, let's now, turtle is a module. First thing that is one, turtle is a module. What is it module? You can maybe ask me, please tell me about module. Module is collecting of the class. Class. What is it class? Class is collecting of the function. And what is it function? Please tell me. Function is, your sentence, your programs. That each programs is a single aim. For example, you know that, for example, uh, think about that. We would like to design, okay, notice that, for example, you wanted to make a project like it. And for example, I know that it is so easy. So, and in Mazel for in turtle, it is a Mazel. Uh, First note, please notice to that, do not save project with turtle name because turtle is a key name and it may be, what may be happen here, it may be happen conflict and your project couldn't work correctly, and you have to await this. So we try to do project on the Python. At the first step, try to save project with a comment. File, new file. In this new file, I write turtle project and save it. There is a simple place for my code. Yeah, we have to save project in place that easily access again. And another thing that is so important and vital is the name of the project. As I say that, you can, for example, you can write project turtle one, save it, and Control S and Control F5. There is nothing to show. So the first thing is import turtle with this name, and another thing is define, you know, something, a function. For example, t1 equal turtle dot turtle, And what it is happen, please explain. It is so easy. Turtle is a module that we import with all of the class. In this module, we use the turtle function, a turtle class, the turtle class. So execute or control F5. What it is happen, it is the row. This row show that we, correctly call the turtle class and turtle module. So the turtle with small capital is module, and with the T caps lock is what it is class. So continue course by example. The, for example, I would like it to explain here what we write to do here. Notice that we wanted to design something like it in Python. How we can do that? Please notice that there is a start point. It doesn't matter where you would like it to start, but simplify it is better. You start here. The direction of this place is 0 and 0. It is based on the mathematic equation. Notice that, and how we can go from 0 to this place. Please imagine that the length of this item here is 200 pixels. So we don't write px like CSS in web. We write 200. For going from this place to another place, occur in turtle with forward function. What is it forward? Please explain. As I say that, please come here and please notice to my first explanation here. If you know that turtle is module, we import it, and we use class y by define. And in the next step, how we use a function by using, when you use a forward is a function from this class. What the name of class? As you know that I define T1. So T1 dot, when you write dot in class, it refers to all of the function in this class. So I explain here precisely. If you have to a class, so it is structure and it is common between all of the programming, and a dot here. After this dot, you can see all of the functions here. These functions, each function can do something. For example, forward, going to from a place to another place. Forward 200 is going to from 0 to 0 to what? To 0 to, no, 0 to, no, because it is x and it is y. It is y. So when you say x and y, it go to 2 and 0. That's right. And for example, you want to come here. How to come here? It is forward to this place. That's right. But so easy. No, please go to the code. And I wanted to do everything one by one because it may become complex. So u1 dot forward. When you u1 excuse me, forward 200 and save here, control F5. From this place with 0 and 0 to this another place. And excuse me, I wanted to explain easily. It is 0 and 0 and it is 200 and 0. I focus on this example with this shape. It is our result here. So we would like it to come to another place here. The arrow, direction, uh, it is based on this shape. Imagine that you are here and your eye, you look at to this picture. For example, it is a picture and you look at this picture. So it is the left, and it is the right of your hand. It is left hand, it is right hand. So if you would like it to this address, if you like it to this address, you have to go, you have to rotate with a left, left with which angle, we have to 90 degree. So it is 90 degree of the rotation, and it is another function. The first function that we explain what? The first function was forward, and the another function is left. So forward and left. Left for rotation. Rotation, it is not rotate. It is left and right. For example, when you like to go to the left, you use left. When you would like to go to the right, you say right. And we come here to the project. I try to explain easily because it is the first project. So the next thing is T1 dot left 19. Okay, Control S and Control F5. Okay, as you can see, there is a rotation that our arrow look at the about. This is the rotating with 19 degree. So what we would like it to do from this point to another point, and how to do that? It is so example T1 dot forward 200. If you look at this, when I write the open parentheses, there is a keynote from the Python. It shows us that our function is correct. It is correct, and our way is, on the exact and the direct way. We can continue here. So 200. So Control S and Control 5. Look at to that. The another thing that would like to come from this place to another. The first thing that what we like to do is rotate which. Imagine that you are here. It is the left hand and it is the right hand. So we have to write left 19 degree. And in our code, I write here T1 dot left 19. Okay. I do like it to execute the code. Imagine that T1 dot left and we rotate out around T1 dot forward. Why? Because when we rotate our arrow, try to go to another position forward. Imagine that we write here. It is incorrect because we couldn't see the keynote of the Python, so we have to write forward. But it was incorrect because 2 point I wrote here forward and T for one. Okay, there is what we write here 200, and at the last one, please execute this code. Okay, we would like it to come from this place to this point. How to do that? It is the left. Yes, that's right. You know how to do that. It is so easy. Please continue this project after this video based on my example. And I uploaded this example on the GitHub page. And T1 dot forward 200 and execute the output. It is our code. So, and you can continue. Please continue this example and shape another example with like what I wrote here. I write here, and please to make a code like it. Please, you know, this is a first score and another like it. Please design a shape like it. Its length is 200. Its length is 200, and please do that like me. You know, it is I draw this shape, and when you come here, what we do that you arrow like it. So you have to rotate here. It is the right, you know. You have to write T right, T1 dot right, 19. I do this and this length. Please continue this and the three remaining lengths. And what we write here, T1 dot right, 19, and T1 dot forward, 200. Okay, please continue. I would like to do that. I do that. Don't worry. Please do some exercise and we T1 forward, and please notice too. Okay. Our arrow like it, we have to come here. It is the left, you know. So we write here what you want that left, 19. You want that forward, 200. And you want that what we write here. And imagine that our project like it. There is an error here. Please notice to this forward. We wrote forward incorrect. Yes, that's right. So we rotate to the left. We rotated to the left with this example. T1 dot left 19. T1 dot forward 200. And T1 dot left 90. T1 dot forward 200. This is so easy. Please continue this course. You can continue other, you know, come here and another shape based on this example. It is so easy and, you know, impressive in your learning of the Python. Imagine that, you know, please come here to our code. In the next video, we talk about how to compact this code on minimum line with for or loop structure, and how to design this line with color of or with you know the white fabric length and other item that is you know interesting for your code. And I mainly focus on the you know exclusive code that are interesting with loop to design shape and rotate shape. Thank you so much. Good job. Goodbye.